guys, today we're gonna cook some steak and I'm with my sister. What's your name? Do you want to introduce yourself?
Oh, Vanera.
Okay.
Should I have this shy girl persona?
No. We're going into Hy-Vee right now.
Horchata?
Why is it cold?
It is cold. 2 for $5 avocados? Let's see, are they...
You still want avocados?
Yes, it's healthy.
Oh, this one's a little bit...
Because people eat salad with their steaks. So, like, these are hard as fudge.
This one is a little soft.
Wait, was that a soft? All around?
It's a little chilly.
Yeah, wait, what about this one?
Fresh produce. This is fresh, which means it's not.
What does that mean?
It means it's fresh, so it's not ripe.
What do you mean? This one's pretty ripe.
Okay, then
Wait, right?
you
Feel
can
this
get
one.
that.
Would you eat this one?
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah. What about tomatoes?
You want tomatoes? You trying to make a salad?
No,
Outside?
we're not making a salad.
You're supposed to eat. You're supposed to eat like, what's it called? You're supposed to eat vegetables with your salad too.
Okay, well, what are we doing? What do you mean vegetables with your
Like,
salad?
you know, people
Obviously.
eating salad with their. Wait, what? What did I say?
Vegetables with
is
your
this one
salad.
good?
Yeah.
How are you supposed to know if they're good?
It's soft.
Like,
you
what?
know?
Isn't there a way, like in the middle, like right
No,
here?
that's too much work. We're getting potatoes?
Can we get 2 potatoes?
I think there's some over there.
Okay, we got 2 of these.
Do you want a bag for that?
We're putting the avocados into the bag. Girl, here.
Okay, potatoes? Oh wait, 2 potatoes right there. Those large potatoes? Wait.
Wait, should we make a sauce? Should we make a sauce for ours? Do we have...
You just want everything.
Wait, I want to
right?
make one.
So we're getting 2 potatoes?
Do you want a half a potato?
Do you want 2 potatoes?
I want a full potato. I mean, I want to eat one. We're doing baked potato.
Are you hungry or something?
We're doing baked. We're making a meal.
Okay, bro.
What potato do you want
Like,
to
I'm not
eat?
that hungry.
I want...
I'm not.
I want to get a steak.
Sure.
What is the best steak?
Well, the best thing will be that premium.
In your opinion, the expensive one? Well, I want like a bigger kind of steak.
Right, so it's either the ribeye
Ribeye?
or the...
So I want tender. So I want ribeye.
You're looking for steak for both of you?
Yeah, we're just one for us to share.
Oh, we're going to share?
Yeah.
Tell you what, I'm going to give you a special deal on the cowboy. $5.
Okay.
So I know you can share. Cowboy right here.
Oh,
$5.
really? Wait, why is it $5?
I don't know. You can share.
How long does that take to cook?
On the, tell you what, for bread results, if you do it in the oven,
Mm-hmm.
I would say like 300.
Okay, we got the steak. Let me see. What is it? Well, we'll see when we get home. Okay, guys, we're back home and we're going to set up our stuff now. We have the potatoes.
So we need to preheat the oven at the highest. So
Also, don't mind the lighting, guys. If we don't have this flashlight on, then it's gonna be really dark. You press bake.
I don't know, actually. Can you search it up?
Bro, you're supposed to do that.
Search it up.
You have to check if anything's in here first.
Oh, 400 degrees.
Fahrenheit.
Okay. Okay, 400 degrees,
Ew.
so we gotta preheat. Now it's started, right?
No, you didn't press start yet. Why is it
Shit.
blurry?
Oh, we're gonna start all over.
Oh my goodness.
Ready? Okay, now we wait for it to preheat. This is efficient.
No, don't do that.
Cut the potatoes, because we're gonna eat the skin.
Oh yeah. But even if it's not clean enough, it's gonna be baked, so it's gonna
So
kill.
it's gonna kill all that
all the-
dirt on
Yep.
the potatoes. We just start stabbing it.
Oh. Be careful.
Where do we stab it?
I don't know.
Like,
You're supposed
On
to.
every side?
Are you sure you're doing this right?
I don't know, guys. We're just going with the flow.
Okay.
Now do
Why is
yours.
your phone in here?
Do yours. Don't accidentally get your finger, because
I
I was
won't.
scared of myself getting my finger.
Hopefully not. Do I just? Are you sure this is what we're supposed to be doing?
Yeah.
That was way easier than you made it look. Now what?
Now we're wrapping our potatoes. Wait, which side? Is the right side?
I don't know.
Oh shit.
I don't think there's a wrong side. Guess we'll find out.
Okay, I wrapped mine really good. Okay.
Okay, guys, the oven is finished preheating.
So like hopefully I don't hurt myself. Okay.
47 minutes. So we'll be back in 47 minutes. Hey guys, we're back.
have any salt, bruh.
Do we have the refill thingy thing? We're gonna start making the steak now.
Where's the salt, Ann?
I changed
Oh, this salt?
my shirt.
We freshly crushed our pepper. No.
Yeah, we don't really have much left.
So where's the pepper?
We don't have much of anything actually.
Shit.
Okay, so this is the steak that we're cooking.
Wait, we don't have any rosemary type stuff?
I don't think so, bro.
So here, almost missed. Yeah, pat it dry, completely dry. Here, I'll help you.
Like this?
Yeah, like completely dry. Okay, I guess I'll just go in again after you. That's not sure my face good. Okay, like completely dry.
Do you need to flip it and do it again?
Yeah.
Do I have to? Do you want me to flip it? Because I already did.
Yep, dry it. We're gonna season with some salt, so let's put some salt. Is that a lot of salt?
That's low-key a lot of
No,
salt.
that's okay. Rub it in. Other side. Okay.
I don't know what to do when you pour some in your hand.
Yes.
Hopefully I don't miss.
Okay, that's good. That's good. It's like my hands are kind of wet. Okay, we're just gonna go like that. Really good amount. Okay, make sure you land on the steak. Okay, a little more. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's a good amount. Okay. Okay. This side.
Onion powder and garlic powder.
Yep.
So this is the garlic powder.
Yeah, sprinkle it real good. Do like another pass. Okay, that's good enough. Smells really good. Okay, yeah, a little bit of that. Okay, that's good, that's good. Okay. Right here. That's good, that's good. Okay. Okay, a little bit of paprika now. This smells already good.
Yeah.
Paprika. Yeah, a little bit. Okay, that's a good amount. Give it a little red color. Okay, this side now. Oh, fat fell off.
I can't see, bro.
Okay, shit.
Oh, frick.
Yeah, hurry. Okay, that's good. Okay.
So there's still 8 minutes left of the potatoes. And this is on now.
Oil. the natural fat
From the steak.
from the
That
steak
fell off.
that fell off. Okay, let's see that
You
melt.
should've, like waited a little bit to heat up.
Okay.
Wow.
Wait, we need to like press it down.
Guys, do you like smell that too? I'm still wearing my jeans because why not?
Okay, wait, a little longer. It's still a little gray. Oh, it's pretty smoky.
Wow.
Okay, now we have to time it again. So what's the time? Well, how do you want it? Medium rare or rare? Let's try to go for rare. Roll. Take it off. Now we put some oil on it.
Oil? You mean butter?
Okay, put our garlic in. Do we have rosemary like
No, bro.
that?
Oh my god.
Wait, I need a spoon. Like this.
Fully flip. You don't know what you're doing.
It's gonna make it super juicy.
You need more butter than that.
Think so?
I'm pretty sure it's burning now.
Alright, get some more butter. Put more butter. This is like
Why are
chaotic
you-
steak
Do you
making.
need to use the bathroom or something?
No.
Why are you dancing? Why are you dancing?
Wait, that's a lot of butter, but hurry. Bro, why'd you do that? Ooh, butter. Maybe we can make a sauce with this. I don't know how to do it. I know how to do it. Put some water in it.
I don't
What are you
think-
doing?
I don't think you should do that. Look at this steak.
Let's do this.
What are you doing?
I'm making a sauce, bro. Watch me make a sauce. This is a good part of the steak. The flavorful part. This is gonna taste really good. Okay, now we need some flour. Give me right with the flour. Give me
Get
right
your
with the
own flour.
bruh. Give me
You
right.
sure you're not thinking of like cornstarch?
Is it cornstarch? Let's mix cornstarch with water. Where's the cornstarch? In here?
Yeah. Cornstarch is very messy, so.
See, this is all the good parts of it, the flavorful
I
parts.
use.
Okay, let's taste test the sauce.
Okay.
Tastes
Tastes
like
like
nothing.
water.
Tastes like nothing.
Yeah.
Tastes like nothing.
Yeah.
Fuck the sauce.
Yeah.
Wait, look at I made sauce though. Fuck the sauce.
Bro, you can pull out the thing.
Okay. See, where's the part that we should cut off first? Where was it?
Right there, yeah. So why
Oh,
don't
wait,
you
let me-
use this? Okay. Oh.
So it's over. It's well done. It's like it's well done. Okay. Let's do one.
It might not be.
Wait, it's Loki perfect. Okay, taste test that one. So wait, is it good chewiness? Was it good? It's good? Is it chewy? And it's like perfect. It's actually, oh my god, we just made a perfect steak.
Ooh,
Ooh.
look it on camera.
Oh my god. Wait, I'm actually too pro.
Yeah.
It's against the grain.
The heck does that mean?
It's
Against
like,
the grain.
you see like the muscle parts? It's like, I don't know how to explain it, but. Well, it is more overcooked. Is that good? Those are they good chewy? Or bad chewy? Ooh, I want this fat piece. What about this side? Cut into it. Shit.
What are you doing?
Go like this.
What are you doing?
And then you gotta like
Open
flatten
my
it
eyes.
like that. Yeah, it is really hot.
Bro,
Or you can just use your fork to smash it. So,
freaking messed
No, be
up
careful,
my
bro.
freaking potato. What?
here, just like. Wait, maybe it's not cooked yet all the way.
Putting up the avocado.
Ooh!
Ooh, look how perfect that is.
See, we got perfect ones. Avo. Wait, I should just peel mine. That's slow.
Why are you doing that with your long nails? Like, obviously it's gonna mess up.
It's not really peeling really good. Avo.
Let me take my
with my kids, the way that
pieces.
we blocked out on so much time with my mom. It was enough of an inspiration for me to really get a baseline of where I'm at right now, health-wise.
Mine's definitely way better than yours. Cooked. Low key.
Well, somebody ruined mine.
Yeah, like this. Kind of smush your potato down. Open like that. Wow, this is a fat potato. Flavor.
Yep. A lot of butter.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
It's okay, like hard in some spots still, but you just gotta like fluff it.
I got more potato than steak.
No, look at mine. It's like a big girl meal. Wait.
Ow.
Fat potato.
Let me try your potato. It's fine. Let me get a bite of mine. Let me get like a full-on bite. Cheers.
This
Your plate looks so pretty.
And I lose out on time with my kids the way that now